kind to lead us in the pledge?
Where's the flag?
Over here, this side, over here.
Mr. President.
Today, the first one, everybody's got a few of these. You're gonna have to share.
Hey, I'm gonna sing this whole song.
This dancing sing, maestro.
I hope.
It's so.
Oh, come on, guys. Hey, Roy, would you like to come up here? I know that this is a favorite for you. Do you want to come up here and help lead this too?
Me? Word is allowed.
Assistant analyst.
And we like her.
Thank you very much. Hi, Lori. Hi, Lori. Ward. Frank.
Morning, everyone.
Morning. Us. Your loans. So the loans are roughly 2 to 3 days it is. If you want to contribute to this,
And their activities with their able-bodied peers, and they have developed a communication.
White label, and I'll give me a shirt and I'll say where I want.
Okay.
This is a shirt.
I hope you were ready for it.
No. And it snowed today. Went to the Penn State ice cream curriculum through it. And many of the other.
This is a good day for the president of this club. $3,000 was just given either to the local club.
Oh my God.
We got the local club, Rotary Club.
And those are good memories. None better in my, if they were more aware of what we were doing as a group. We looked at this problem, we said, you know, we're missing the opportunity to past members, and they get record in Rotary Livermore Valley Rotary Club colleague program, starting with, where'd Nadine go?
I'm getting cookies to Fred right
Oh,
now.
Nadine and Jack, I bet she turned us down, but
Watch out, Brian else. I think we had a gap here. Thank you, Jerry Hawkins, for retrieving my sponsor.
it's hard for you to do, but.
So, you know, that can help out in the community where we can and
one more, and that's the day that we should give thanks and ask the blessings on all of those people who sacrificed their lives so that we can enjoy the abundance of those amber wait and yearn for, and some with malice, relation at that time. Of the 16 million, only 600,000 action, 28,000 prisoners of war or missing. The 303rd Bomb Group of B-17s arrived bombers to enemy fighter planes, anti-aircraft fire, or today. Let me share with you what it's like to be a co-pilot on air raid. So you get up, get dressed, and trudge all back that location. Also with the radio free, on top of that, you put on wool socks, pardon me. Also, you then put on and helping the ordnance people load the bombs and the ammunition on. And we go over the highlights of the mission, make sure we're all on the same page. Radio free, 4 squadrons. Each squadron has a maximum of designated color flare, so that all of the squadrons are, you see the contingents are all waiting to get into play, goes, but they get in line and flop or the flak. If you do that, your bombs are going to be spread. You fly straight, and they were good to see, our little friends, our little brothers. Sometimes we flew, is that okay? All this information is gathered from all of our crews and the other bomb groups doing the same thing. You get out of all that like movies. Just a bare airplane we're flying up there. Along with that, we have to put on those uncomfortable oxygen masks for about 4 to 6 hours, and they're your lifeline, by the way. The navigator kept a close eye on those 40 or 60 dials you have up there watching that. A reminder to us, as well as those around us, that it's Memorial Day, and not just that we still grieve for a war of long ago. You seek answers from me, young man?
On behalf of the Rotary Club of Livermore, I'd like to present you a little